Buongiorno amici, buongiorno. Hi guys, and welcome to another amazing beach of Sardinia. We are in the beach La Pelosa. In front of us we have the island of Lasinara, National Park of Lasinara, and then we have also Isola Piana, which is the first island we see in front of us, and this is the amazing beach of La Pelosa, one of the most beautiful beach of Sardinia, and for sure one of the most beautiful beach of this area where we are. We are near Porto Torres, we are near Sassari, about 30 minutes from Sassari, and we are in the area called Gallura. So it's very beautiful here guys, very nice. We will walk a little bit here along the beach, then I will show you also the water, how it is, and I hope you will enjoy this video of the beach La Pelosa. So this is another beautiful beach that we can visit all together. Andiamo amici, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to send your comments, your likes, so we keep going around and discover such beautiful places around Sardinia, around Italy, and everywhere. It's so beautiful. And below in the description of the video we leave you also the link in case you want to book a tour or the hotel when you are here in La Pelosa. There are different tours which they go from here to Lasinara, and then also they go around to discover the beautiful beaches which they are near this area. And then there are also some hotels like this one, Rocca Rui Hotel, in case you want to stay just in front of this beautiful place. So this is a perfect spot guys for the families. If you come with family and you want to have a relaxing time here on the beach in this beautiful place, then here it's perfect, because you see you have these hotels or these lidos, very comfortable, and then you have the water which is so crystalline, clean and warm, and then it's totally safe and comfortable. Look here. look here, a lot of people already having a beautiful swimming here in this amazing beach when it's 9:30 in the morning. So guys, are you ready for a swimming on the beach of La Pelosa? Let's go. Wow guys, it's fantastic the water here, very clean, warm and crystalline, amazing, really beautiful. I hope you like this video from La Pelosa, an amazing beach where to come and spend your holidays once you are here in Sardinia. Wow, look at the water guys, incredible. And here guys, we are at a few meters from Torre della Pelosa. So you see all this, it's a free beach where you can come do some snorkeling, because you can imagine here it's full of fishes and beautiful rocks where you can go and explore the sea of La Pelosa. It's very nice, and there are also some lidos, private lidos, where you can rent your umbrella and your chairs from 20 to 30 euro per day. And then here it's the area where you have some hotels, B&B and accommodations if you want to stay just in front of the beach. Wow, this is a beautiful place in front of La Sinara, such a beautiful sea, all comforts you need to have a good stay here in La Pelosa. Bello. So now let's go for a swimming, so I will show you also how it is the water of La Pelosa. Andiamo. So here it's mainly rocks, but if you wanna have some sand, then you see down there is the Lido where you have some sand, or you can walk a little bit and reach the Torre La Pelosa, or you can go on the first beach that we have seen before. But let's go here because this is the point where the sea is more beautiful. Andiamo. And then if you keep walking along the beach of La Pelosa, you see there will be more and more beautiful places where you can come and have a beautiful swimming in this nice sea. And what you see there, it's Torre La Pelosa. So this is the whole area of La Pelosa, starting from the tower and then all this beautiful big bay with this very nice water and sea. So there are some hotels which I will also leave you the link in the description of the video, and then you can decide if you wanna have a swimming here on this inside the rocks, or if you wanna have a swimming in the sand beach. And you see there is the hotel. So it's a very wild but well organized area for staying a few days, but even 1 week, because then from here you can go to La Sinara. La Sinara is the island which is also national park in front of the beach La Pelosa. So very good place, very ideal for families. And here the Lidos, which they belong to the hotel. So if you decide to stay in a hotel, then you can also have your Lido, your private umbrella and chairs down here. So guys, this was La Pelosa beach, a nice place where to come with family and spend your vacation here in Sardinia. Ciao a tutti, thank you so much for watching, and we see you with more and more videos from other destinations. Andiamo amici